Well, good afternoon. It's been a full 2.5 years since I have, boy, that neighbor's dog is really not too happy about me being out here. Anyway, it's been about a full 2.5 years since I did the insulation on the copper lines on the mini splits up there. And I'm going to go up on the roof and show you what it looks like and see if it survived, see if it has withstood the test of time. But before I go up there, I just want to show you the part where it comes down that I didn't insulate, which is right here, has definitely gotten worse since the last time I was out here. And I'll put in a little clip right now so you can see what that looked like before. And so you can see that it has really deteriorated from what it was before. So anyway, I'm about to go up on the roof here and we'll take a look at what's going on. Okay, well, I'm up here on the roof and so far it looks like everything is still in place. It's all still there. So I'm going to get a little closer inspection here, and I've brought up the roll of the this is the exterior tape that I have, which I'm really curious to see how it has withstood the test of time. So I'll show you what that's looking like here. All right, for starters, it looks like everything is holding together. I am not seeing any gaps in any of the places we insulated on any of this stuff. It's looking pretty much exactly as I remember it. Now, one thing I want to show you here that I did, this tape that we used, this brand here, you can see it has some like red magenta color print on the outside. And that I was curious whether that would withstand the test of time. I don't see any of it. So the ink has faded, for whatever that's worth. The ink has faded. I don't see any of that color on any of this. It looks like a few places here maybe the tape has kind of come off a little bit. This is the real test. I wanted to see if this got brittle at all. So I'm going to push on this, and it is just fine. This tape is not breaking. It is not peeling off. It is not failing. After 2.5 years of exposure to the New Mexico sun and winter, it's looking really good. So yeah, I could not be more happy actually with how this is all looking. This is all very much held together. So that's really it. This is going to be a very short video. Yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. A lot of you have asked in the comments about, well, not a lot, but a few of you have, just how it's held up. And I would say it has held up spectacularly. So I think I'm going to use the same technique to fix those sides where it's I didn't insulate before, where it's gotten worse. And yeah. Oh, and I see some other repairs I'm going to need here soon. Take a look at this. This is not a repair on my insulation, but just the roof here. I got a vent there that's really flopping around and looking rusted. I don't even remember that. That doesn't look so good. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. There you go. Repairs have worked. Good luck out there.